Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rahim. Today I'm going to start networking project series on Cisco Packet Tracer. First, I'm going to start from very simple project and then go gradually to advanced projects. So in today's video, I'm going to do a very simple project to just familiarize you with Cisco Packet Tracer, how to use it, and also how to design a project from case study like this one. So let's get started. So this is simple network topology for two departments. Here we have two departments, Department A and Department B. Our aim is to connect these two departments and communicate between them. So here are specific requirements. We should have two departments, Department A and Department B. In each department we will have two PCs in Department A and two PCs in Department B. So we will use this network for Department A and this network for Department B. After that we will connect all the devices through straight through cables. At the end we will check connectivity. I will ping the address of a PC in Department A from a PC in Department B. So guys, this channel is new. We need your support. Just subscribe our channel and like the video. So let's do it on Cisco Packet Tracer. So here I want to use a router to connect two departments with each other. This router, and also two switches for each department. I want to rename it. Suppose it's switch 1 and this is switch 2. In two PCs, I will use two PCs in each department. Two PCs in this department and two PCs in this department. Now I'm gonna connect it through straight through cables. First I will arrange it a bit. Now I'm going to select automatic, so leave it. I want to select this one. So this is straight through cable. First a router, I want to connect department A with this interface, 2 gig Ethernet interface, and PC1 with fast Ethernet 01, this one, and PC2 with fast Ethernet 02 with this one, and second department will connect it through gig Ethernet 01. So the first one was 00 and this one is 001 and gig Ethernet 01. And computer, first computer with this interface and second computer with this interface, fast Ethernet 02. Now I want to differentiate it through colors, circles. So here I will use circle to differentiate these two departments. Okay, this color will be good. So this is Department A and I will choose different color for Department B. This look good. So now it looks pretty good. Now I want to give it names. So to assign name, just click this, please note. So this is Department A, and this is Department B. So in the case study, I said that uh, we will assign IP addresses from this range for department A. So I will place a note here. So network for department A is 192.168.0 and 0, and for department B we will use 192.168.1 and .0, this network. So as you can see, these interfaces are red, it means it's turned off. I should go manually there and turn it up. So now it's shut down, it's turned off. I want to turn it on. So to turn it on, just click on CLI mode. So this is basic information. I'm gonna type no. I will change this mode enable. Then now it's a privilege mode. I want to go to the global configuration mode, then open interface. So first I will check this interface. Which interface is that? This is gig 000 interface. So now I will type gig 000. Now I will type no shutdown. As you can see, it changed state to app. Now I want to assign IP address to this interface. So to assign IP address, just type IP address 192.168.0.1. So I will assign IP address to this interface. A will be 192.168.0.1. So its subnet mask is default subnet mask 255.255.255 in .0. Do right, and then now I'm gonna assign IP address to this interface. As you can see, now it's changed the color to the blue one. It means now it turned it on, and now it means that now it's not shut down. It's in it means that now it's turned on. Now I will change state of this interface to turn it on. Just type interface. So first I will check which interface is that. Just hover on this interface. It will show that it's gig 01 interface. Just type gig and then press tab. It will automatically complete the command. Gig 0, 0 and 1. IP address 192.168.1.1, and I will assign default subnet mask for the class C 255.255.255 in .0, and then type no shutdown. It doesn't matter which one you type first. When you assign IP address, then type no shutdown, or if you want to first no shutdown the interface and then assign IP address, it doesn't matter. Then do right. Change will be save and running and startup configuration or NVRAM. Now I will assign IP address to these computers. So to assign IP address to these computers, just click on the computer, then desktop and IP configuration. So IP will be 192.168.0.2. I assigned IP address for this interface. First I dot one IP for this interface, and it will be .2. So this is default subnet mask. And what is the default gateway? The default gateway is this interface that I assign IP address, which was 192.168.0.1. So now I will assign IP address to this computer, to the second computer, 192.168.0.3. So default gateway is 192.168.0.1. So for this computer, for this network, IP will be 192.168.1.2, and default gateway is IP address of this interface. IP address of this interface. This is the default gateway. 192.168.1.1. For the second computer of department B, IP address will be 192.168.1.3, and default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. So now we configured everything. So this is the last step, that I will check the connectivity for all the departments. For these two departments, I'm going to ping this computer, this one, from this computer. To ping it, just come to the command prompt and then ping, write command ping, and then 192.168.1 and .2. So the IP address of this computer is, this computer in department B is 192.168.1.2. Now hit the enter. Now you can see replay from now you can see replay from 192.168.1.2. It means that we connected the department successfully. So guys, if you want to more projects like this, so just hit the subscribe button and like the video. We really need your support. I want to complicate the projects and add more requirements and add more concepts. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.